it's always on the side. I have an awful cycle file.
No, it's beautiful. Okay. Keep it tight. Don't hit the cars on the imaginary cars on the
I don't know
other
what
side
you're
of the
talking
road.
about. The car's coming
Turn
this
the
way.
wheel. Turn the wheel. Don't hit anything on that side. Good job. Now don't hit the car that's in that parking space right there.
Look, why are there cars
Tight.
everywhere?
Tight.
In places
There you
they
go.
should not be.
That's good. See, you didn't hit anything. Except maybe the cars on the other side of the road.
I don't think so. I don't understand why are there cars in those spaces. That doesn't feel like anyone.
No,
parked there.
you have to imagine the cars on the left side of the road. You
Like
don't.
coming that way.
You don't own the road. You share it. Okay?
That's scary.
You gotta pretend that there's constant moving cars on both sides of the road.
Maybe it needs to be in like a car
And-
simulator or something.
And imagine the cars on the other side of the road turning left as you're turning right. Don't hit them. Tight. Keep tight. Keep it tight.
I just don't want to hit that pole.
Yeah, don't hit the pole.
But I still need to straighten out.
Keep it straight. Good job. How fast are we going? Being the speed limit?
I think so.
How fast are you going?
5 miles per hour? I have no clue. How do I tell how fast I'm going?
And what's the speed limit in this parking lot?
Maybe 5 miles per hour? I have no clue. No, the speed limit isn't the speed you have to go. It's the limit. Alright. I'm turning now. Make your nice straighten out. Okay. And then I turn again.
Yeah. It's pretty good. No, you're doing good. You're not hitting any of those parked cars.
Oh my gosh.
Now you're staying on your side of the road.
I'm just driving on the side.
Oh.
This is so confusing. What are you doing?
I'm filming you. It'll help you focus on the road.
I'm going to turn now.
Turn sharp. There you go. You got it.
But aren't you supposed to like momentarily straighten out with
Turn sharp.
turning again?
Yup, we're doing right turn. It's like a U-turn. Okay. That's pretty good. Not hitting these poles.
Good.
You're really getting the hang of the steering wheel. And how far to turn it.
I don't like the steering wheel.
What?
I don't like the steering wheel.
You don't like the steering wheel?
No.
How can you not like the steering
It's
wheel?
weird that it's how I turn my tires.
What's wrong with the steering wheel?
I'm turning.
Well, you totally went into the other lane.
I didn't. I don't think I did.
Yeah, yep.
Oh, I'm not doing
No,
anything
right there.
wrong.
Perfect.
It's just,
No, you hit those other cars
I
for
don't think
sure.
I did.
At least one of them.
See, I'm so small. Just kidding.
What?
Guys, that was really good. Guys, that was really good. I had to make up for that. Okay. Okay, I'm good now.
She's a werewolf.
Turn circle. I make my turn now.
Yes. You're so cute.
And then I turned it again, but not that much, but also this much.
Yeah, that's really good. You are thinking about the back of the van and what it could be hitting, and you're leaving space. That's awesome. You always have to remember the back end and what you could be cutting corners. You know, the corners you could be cutting with it that you don't want to be. You also have to think about the front end corners that you're cutting, like right here.
I don't think I'm doing anything wrong.
I don't know. I think think you cut into that lane. No, you definitely are hitting cars. You're totally in the left-hand lane.
I'm where I'm supposed to be.
No.
This is where I'm supposed to be.
It'll hopefully be easier when there are actual cars there
I need like
that will force you to keep the car. Maybe I should get out and we'll see if you hit me or not.
No, Mama, I don't want you to go today.
It'll force you to do it right. I'll jump out of the way.
Jump out of the way.
Yeah, I'll jump out of the way. I'll just be a cone that you can't run over. I think you're doing awesome. I'm almost tempted to let you use the gas pedal.
No, not ready for that yet.
Yeah, you're totally in the other lane. You're not supposed to cross the white line. Okay, turn now.
I don't want to hit the pole.
What part of now don't you understand?
Now
You're not gonna hit the pole. Oh, you just totally.
I didn't.
You just totally hit the back end of that Subaru.
Absolutely not, Mom.
Yep.
Like, why are you assuming that there's a car in every single space?
You have to assume there is. It's how you learn how not to drive.
What if I ran into a pole, Mommy? Would you be mad at me?
Not as mad as the pole would be at you.
I don't think that the pole would be that mad.
This would make a great YouTube video.
No, absolutely not. The speed bumps, I'm supposed to like brake before the speed bumps or slow down, right?
Well,
Going into the other lane, I'm not hitting any cars.
you know,
As of right
if
now,
we were in a different car,
as of right now, I am
is that
perfect.
guy watching you over there across the
He's
street?
not watching me.
He's watching you go in circles.
I'm just
He's
crazy.
just sitting on his porch smoking a cigarette, watching you go in circles. Like, what?
I'm not going into the other lane. You're doing a really good job.
Good job, yeah, that was good.
Not hitting any cars.
Mm-hmm.
They should like be putting people in a simulator of cars just for that.
I'm gonna add cars to this video, and they're all gonna blow up as you hit them.
It's not okay.
No, it's a great idea. It'd be hilarious.
I'm really good at braking though. I'm getting very good at that.
It must have been all the screaming at you to brake before.
Okay, we're good.
This is where I learned how to drive, in the same parking lot. But I had to get it to go from like release the clutch, put it in first.
We're not going over that. I choose gas now. I did.
Yeah, you do. You did it too slow. Tap it. There you go. Over the hump. You're doing great.